Let me tell you something many business owners do not realize. A customer can hear about your business today, search for your business tonight, and buy from your competitor tomorrow. Not because your competitor has better products, not because they offer lower prices, simply because they were easier to find. The question is not whether your business exists. The question is whether customers can find it when they need it. The most expensive thing in business today is not house rent. It is being invisible. A few days ago, I spoke with a business owner who was frustrated. His products were good. His prices were competitive. His shop was open every day. Yet, sales were slow. Then I asked a simple question. When someone hears about your business and searches for it on Google, what do they see? Silence. Nothing came up. No business profile, no reviews, no photos, no directions, no proof that the business even existed. Imagine that for a moment. Someone is ready to buy. They pick up their phone, they search, and they find their competitor instead. Not because your competitor is better, but because your competitor is visible. This is the painful reality many African businesses are facing. While business owners worry about stock, staff salaries, inflations, and the daily expenses, customers have quietly changed how they buy. Before people visit, before they call, before they send a WhatsApp message, they search. And in 2026, businesses that cannot be found online will lose opportunities they never even knew existed. The simple truth: revenue leaks happen long before a customer reaches your shop. It happens when people cannot find you. It happens when they cannot trust what they see. It happens when your business leaves questions unanswered. A strong revenue system starts with visibility, not because visibility is the goal, but because visibility creates opportunities. Now, let me tell you a simple framework that will help your business. 1. Be discoverable when customers search. Build trust before customers contact you. Make it easier for people to take the next step. The businesses that grow in 2026 will not necessarily be the biggest. They will be the easiest to find. As a founder, ask yourself this tonight. If a customer searches for my business right now, what story are they seeing? Or are they seeing nothing at all? 2026 will reward businesses that are visible and trusted. If someone searches for your business right now, what would they find?
You are welcome to www.telesquib.com.